Hello!
And welcome back to the Shop Drop, our series where we'll be showing you just a few of our favourite new and exciting launches on the Crafting Club shop this month.
And we have got some very exciting launches to show you this month, including something we've been working on here at Crafting Club HQ for a little while now, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Now the first one we have is from Untitled Distillery, who you guys will remember from September 2021, who made an amazing gin of the month. Well, this is their brand new release, and so they've made a very, very beautiful elderflower and rhubarb gin.
I love how bright and colourful and summery this bottle is, and the flavour combination as well couldn't be more summery. Rhubarb, elderflower, it's all of those English garden flavours in a glass.
We also have returned to the Isle of Man to Finoddery Distillery for something rather special. We have the Rose Eldershy Expression. In there you've got more notes of elderflower, you've got some bergamot, some pink citrus fruits in there. It's very, very delicious.
It sounds really good. Shall we try some? That is so lovely. It's really light, really refreshing, just what you want on a summer's evening, on a warm summer's day.
So this is Glacin, and again, it's a lightly spiced rum from the distillery over there. They use Colombian panela cane sugar to create the base spirit, which is all sustainably farmed, and then they use some cassia, some ginger, and some Madagascar vanilla in there to create something very, very special.
On the theme of rum, that's not the only rum we're launching this month.
No, it's not. We've also gone back to Whitby Distillery for this absolutely beautiful rum here. So again, it's lightly spiced. They use some sea buckthorn, some pepper dulse in there to create something just a little bit distinctive to those guys. And then they rest it all in Madeira cask, which gives it that beautiful deep colour you can see right there.
Fabulous, and I love this really unique bottle, would look amazing on any shelf. From rum to cocktails, and this month we're launching a new essential syrup in our cocktail syrups range, and we've gone from raspberry and caramel syrup last month to rhubarb, another really summer flavour coming out again.
Now again, this one's absolutely beautiful. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit tart. It actually reminds me of those rhubarb and custard sweets.
I know, it's delicious, and it's perfect for making really summery, fruity-like cocktails like this one, maybe a rhubarb gin sour, or you could even just add it a little bit to your usual G&T for a little twist on your usual flavours.
If you love the cocktail of the month in this month's box, we now have the large format of Gin on the Beach ready to go. So you can get the bottle on its own in store or as part of a bundle with all the mixes included, so you can make a gin on the beach whenever you'd like.
Drumroll please, Pete. It's time for an exclusive sneak peek at something our team has been working on for many months now. You guys have all been asking for it. Here it is. Ta-da!
It's the Crafting Club Shake It Up cocktail kit.
Now, this isn't actually available until the end of the month, but we wanted to show you a sneak peek now. If you guys love making cocktails at home, and we know that you do, this kit has absolutely everything that you need in one place.
Now, first of all, we have the classic cocktail shaker here with the Crafting Club design in it, which looks absolutely amazing. So not only is it great for combining those ingredients together and keeping the drink cool, but it's absolutely essential for some of those foamy cocktails like a gin sour or maybe an espresso martini too.
Definitely, so one for taking your cocktails to the next level, as is this very professional looking Hawthorn Strainer. These are really good for when you're using fresh fruit or herbs like mint or strawberries in your cocktails, and you want to get all of the flavour from the fruit and none of those annoying little bits in your mouth.
And then we also have the Crafting Club Jigger. You've got to make sure the ingredients are measured out just right to keep those cocktails balanced, and this does a great job of that.
And over here we have a very sophisticated looking stirrer spoon for your G&T or for your stirred cocktails like your Negronis. And actually, top tip for you, Pete, if you pour your bubbly mixer like your Prosecco or even your tonic down this part of the spoon, it helps retain all the bubbliness.
Well, I didn't know that, but I'm not making G&T any other way going forward.
Exactly. And finally, we have these fantastic tongs, really useful if you're having a party or anything like that. You don't want everybody using their hands necessarily in the ice bucket, so a really lovely addition to your kit.
All in all, a really great kit there to up your cocktail making at home, or it'd make a really lovely gift for someone else too.
So on that note, I think that's everything that we've got this month. Let us know which ones you'll be trying.
And you can find more information about everything you see in this video in the link in the captions below. And we'll see you next time.
Cheers!
Cheers!